How to change the clock on the iPhone or the iPad. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can change the clock in your iPhone. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to drop down the menu from the top left corner. Now once you are in here you have to press and hold the screen, and here is the option of the customize. You have to click on it, and from here you have two options. One is the lock screen and the second one is the home screen. You just have to select the lock screen, and here you have to select the time. Now once you are in, as you can see that here is the option of the font and the color. Here you can change the font as you want to change in your clock, and here you can also change the color. There is many various colors. What you have to do is, if you want to select the custom colors, you have to simply click on it, and here you can add the grid, spectrum and the sliders as you want to add. So once you change all of that, you can also change the widget, like you can change the calendar, clock and the Facebook finance, and after that you just have to save the changes and click on the done, and you are able to change the clock in your iPhone or the iPad. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.